The temperature of this water is about 30 degrees. If I wasn't wearing this special suit, it would take minutes before I lost the ability to move or even to grab